This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
How can ALB be used to improve availability and fault tolerance of application by distributing traffic across multiple availability zones?
Okay, so that is a general case that we use all the time. Okay, so for high priority applications that we have, like some of the HR applications that we have, they are actually deployed locally on not locally, like they are deployed just for the internal usages, and they used to go down a lot. So what we did, we moved them from the on-premise and we deployed it on the cloud. So since these are one single application, we didn't go for any clusters at all. So what we did, and these were not containerized as well. So what we decided to do, we launched multiple EC2 instances in different regions. Okay, so that even if one region is down for AWS, we still have the other region available. Okay, so this was the cross-region setup that we had. Okay, and specifically on one region, we have multiple availability zones as well. So we made use of that. And since one ALB can only route within one region by default, so what we used is we actually deployed our EC2 instances in multiple availability zones. Okay, so by default, we launched 2 EC2 instances for one single application. Okay, the HR application that I was talking about. So we deployed it on both servers, and both of those servers were on different availability zones. So we actually took the fault tolerance and the resiliency that AWS always suggests that. And you will notice that the load balancer won't start if you don't specify at least 2 different subnets on 2 different availability zones. Okay, so that's what we learned, and then we deployed our EC2 instances on 2 different subnets and basically 2 different availability zones. So we specified those availability zones from the load balancer wizard, and then we created the load balancer. And that's why we implemented a resilient architecture. That is, we can call it highly available architecture, right? Because we are resilient of losing at least one data center and still will be up. Okay, so that's how we use the availability zone setup with the ALB.
Great.